Hey guys, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much for the support that you left on my video that I made, the comment about my voice. There was an older gentleman in England who said that I had a very obnoxious laugh and an obnoxious voice. I think the word that he used was disgusting. I'll post the comment right here in the video so you guys can see it if you don't know what I'm talking about. But you guys just jumped on there and came to my support. I didn't mean to make that video about myself. That was not ever the intention on that. But it was kind of just a comment that was kind of just so like, you know, nails on a chalkboard that I kind of had to address it publicly, because I don't know why people feel the need to tear down others publicly or tear down others ever. So yeah, I just, like I said, I don't care what he thinks. You know, it's like, if you don't like my voice, don't listen to me. Again, as I stated in the last video, God made me this way, and in his eyes, I'm perfect. So again, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for the very beautiful, kind, and loving comments that you left on that video. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a blessed weekend ahead of you. Take care. I'll see you in the next Cadillac adventure. Bye, guys.